Hello, what's good?
K6, how you doing?
It's nice to see you guys. Been a while, but we're back.
Welcome back. Mask up. Love the PFP. How we doing?
We're doing good. So I'll just start off right. So what's up, everyone? I'm K6, obviously, from Ubi Protocol, and today I'm introducing Synapse. Synapse is our next generation RPC and data engine for Solana. It's purpose-built for on-chain agents. And you've seen, obviously, RPCs before. So like Helius, QuickNode, Triton, all focused on one thing, speed. But Synapse isn't just faster, it's smarter. It's the foundation of how AI will think, act, and transact on-chain. So there's a big issue with the current landscape with RPCs. So every
I'm sorry, I hate to interrupt. Time on. K6 came. You could tell he's a veteran because he just came. Firing off the hip.
Dude, I love it. I love it.
Dragon's Den, let's go.
He's like, man, I got 30 minutes, dude.
We're not VCs,
15.
but take my money, K6, please.
Thank you, man. I feel like getting in here and just getting the vibe up the second you're in, it's one of the main things. And I'm so sad I couldn't get my webcam up today. I only just got it, but
it's all good. How's your day going? Maybe just start there.
Yeah, so my days, I can't lie, it's been quite good. It's been a quite difficult time, especially on the workload. So we've been working on, lots of things in the background. It's been constant work. I feel like I've been working 16-hour days. I had to do a brand redesign for Ubi, so I got new Ubi logos out, new banners. We're developing leaflets, case studies.
Nice.
And we got a whole new Synapse branding out, as you can see by the website. We've taken a sort of different approach to, the green. We wanted to sort of instill it as the RPC of Solana. We don't want to go small. We want to go big.
I do like the rebrand. I think the green was a little bit archaic, clunky. I don't know if that's the right word, but I do like this sleek Solana themed rebrand. How's morale amongst the team during this market conditions? You guys have had a nice pump though since. I'm not sure if that contributes, but how's morale?
Morale, it's positive between the team. Obviously, community, you see they panic quite a bit and it gets a bit worrying, but we've got quite a strong community. We're still getting, good engagements on X. And we're just building and they see that.
All right. Well, tell us what you're building. There we go, K6. Glad to hear from you.
So, obviously, we're building Synapse RPC. This is to be released on the 7th of November. So we are releasing this on the 7th of November. Sorry, 1 second. Someone's knocking on my door.
They want that live alpha before everyone else.
Oh, I am back. But
his door is just like right behind him.
Yeah. But we've been building this.
They're looking for the alpha.
The alpha is basically Synapse. Every RPC, as I said today, is a messenger. It takes your transaction, sends to the network, returns data, and that's it. But it doesn't understand the context and it doesn't handle intelligence. It doesn't help agents automate or function in real time. For example, you're building bots, trading systems, or AI agents that models really don't scale to. You end up, depending on centralized APIs, off-chain logic, and I would say fragmented data pipelines. This is the problem that Synapse was built to solve. I'd love to show you guys a trailer as well for our Synapse. I'm not sure how to do this, but I think
would you like to? So you can share a screen. I'll toggle it up.
I've got a screen up, but I can share a video. I think. Right.
Yeah. So here, I'll remove you from, and then you can get your video organized. Then you can should be able to share it. If you click share, allows you to share slides, extra camera, video, image, etc.
I think I've found it. It's here. This should be the right one.
Okay, I got you. There we go. Oh, there we go. Here, I'm just gonna pause it and make sure it's fully loaded.
Yeah, sometimes it's buggy like that. Thank you. I think it's still loading.
Must be.
Yeah, this might. Do you have it on a web version by chance?
Yes, but okay. I would have to share my system. I've got it up already on here.
Okay, is it on X there? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, let's try that. I'm gonna just can you just, yeah, I'm just gonna remove you, and then we'll do your X one.
Okay, so I need to set up audio, right?
Yeah, when you click share, you can share as a tab. So maybe I'll help you just get organized, and then we can do it. So if you
Yes.
go bottom, you can say share screen,
I'll
and
stop my
then
share and I'll share again.
you do
Um,
Chrome tab, window, or entire screen. And then at the bottom it says also share audio.
okay, yes, I've got it. Share tab audio. There we go.
Perfect.
Okay.
All right. I'll let you set it up, and then I'll add it up. Don't want to dox your browser history, you know what I'm saying? So
you'd be disappointed.
oh yeah, I'm sure.
All right, we're ready to go now, I think. So let's get this started. So that is the trailer. We wanted to keep it simple. I feel like the main thing is to appeal to, you know, normal users. So technicality was not, you know, really a thing we wanted to go for. We wanted to go for the trusted data, you know, what we have seen and what we have got. So I feel like it sort of, you know, brung across the real vibe of Synapse. It's almost like a, you know, how would you describe it? It's like a, you know, entirely new, innovative style of an RPC. It's not just an RPC. It's a whole new aspect of that. If you
Can you maybe explain why?
Yes, I can. So Synapse, it redefines what an RPC can be. It's a data and execution layer that doesn't just deliver information, it processes it. We've engineered a completely new validator stack that streams live Solana data into structured indexes, meaning agents, DApps, and DeFi protocols can access verified, organized states instantly. Every account, every pool, every transaction is indexed in real time, ready for agents to analyze and act in milliseconds. I'd say the way to think of it is like, while traditional RPCs send data, Synapse gives you AI situational awareness, which is sort of what the world's, you know, moving towards, an AI world. It's the difference between a radio tower and a control center. So it basically manages a lot more things. And as you guys know, X402, right? You've seen it around. You've seen PayAI, the biggest facilitator on Solana. They have been one. They have been one of the ones testing this with us. And they've given us
or
alpha.
Okay.
Because they are actually considering, I 99% sure they're transitioning over to Synapse RPC on release.
Ooh,
Pure alpha.
It's got to count for something. Yeah, pure alpha.
So all of our testers, we had really big projects in the space. Obviously, you know, we sort of had to, you know, perfect our list to get the best applicants for it and cover as many, you know, different things. So we had TG metrics testing, degen gain, we had IQ 6900, which is now IQ Foundation, I see. So they migrated. We had Yara AI, obviously Odin, the ones behind the Heimdallbau bot, if you guys know, and a lot of big projects testing it with us, and we got overly positive feedback. Like we got, obviously in the testing phase, got a couple of issues, but they were so happy with the performance of it, and they were like, it's not just faster, it's better. It fixed our issues. One guy literally came to us, said it fixed the issues he was having with Helius.
So K6, help me understand this. How, from a technical perspective, how does one make a faster, more secure RPC? Like, what goes into that? Obviously, you guys are developers, you have extensive knowledge there, but maybe for us, that the normies out here, how do you guys create something better than Helius or better than these competitors? Yeah.
We focus on sort of a more direct approach, if you get what I mean. We focus on one thing and then we move to the next. So we're focusing directly on sort of integrating an agent system, and we already had a very fast system for that agent system, right? So we were able to implement some of that code into it, sort of like focusing on making it the best rather than focusing on making it a competitor. We put in hours just, focusing on the small things, which typically big companies are focusing on the wide view of things. We are focusing on the small things, direct feedback, and that's how we were able to, get the speeds we get, which are in the milliseconds. From our test calculations, we are about, if not more, 2 times faster than Helios and other providers.
How do you go and vampire some of those users, right? Helius has a huge user base. We see a lot of these bigger, RPC providers with massive user bases. How do you go and take some of those? If you have a superior product, what does it take for you to get some of those users from there onto your product?
The thing I'd say is that we're not trying to take those users from their other providers. We're trying to show them that there's a better option in the space. So instead of directing, directly towards other providers and going, oh, we're better than them, we're better than this, we're better than that, we're trying to go to different projects that may need an RPC for their specific needs. And it allows for us to, bring in a more loyal holder base of the RPC, more loyal users, and people who have genuinely tried and tested it. I have got the website on if you guys can see. I'm not sure if my screen's showing.
I can, yeah. So sorry, Dom, go ahead.
So we've got, obviously, this is the website for Synapse. It's not currently released. It's just a test version, but this is the main page. We move down to, so we have ultra low latency, enterprise security, global coverage, auto scaling, private endpoints, advanced caching. We show our performance here that scales against, typically thing is optimized for Solana. So other providers, you guys must know, they go onto other chains. Obviously, at some point we are looking to do this, but at the moment we are purely a Solana RPC. We also allow for, down at the bottom of the website, you can contact us to schedule a demo to try it out before you actually want to. And we do have a free plan that also comes with this. So you can use it for free, or you can schedule a demo and you can really see if it's the right one for you. Obviously, we are trying to, do an integration with X402 amidst the, hype, as well as it would make our systems almost faster for payments, obviously, with an AI-based thing. So we're going to be connecting the PayAI adapter through the Oobe SDK. We're essentially shipping a tiny PayAI adapter directly inside the SDK so agents can route payments through existing PayAI facilitators with 0 changes required on the user side. All you need to do is initialize with your facilitator signer and allow mints, and then agents can call pay as usual, and everything is handled automatically through the SDK.
So what's the market opportunity here?
I feel like this is something other people haven't done before. Obviously, we have Synapse RPC coming out before, but we have fully on-chain AI agents that we are developing to almost have a plug-and-play system with this X402, so they can pay quickly. They can, use all of the features from X402. It allows for a way faster, I don't know what I'd call it, a way faster system of AI agents, as they are directly on chain. They're documented, verifiable, and they're just way better for on-chain systems than, you know, an off-chain AI agent that hasn't got the data. It can analyze, you know, direct markets through the chain.
What does the future look like? Like, why do you need an RPC to have the quickest, most secure agent-to-agent transactions, etc.?
The thing is, we were looking at options. This is the whole thing between Synapse. So we were looking at options, and we were like, so Helius is really good, right? But it didn't really tailor to what we needed for this agent system. And we were thinking, there's sort of a gap in the market here. There's not really a RPC that can, you know, connect with these agent systems. And we were like, what are we going to do here? So we decided to make Synapse RPC, which then directly does all these features we were missing. No one else on the whole market offered these features, and it allowed for us to, you know, implement a lot more into the systems.
Copy. Cool. Well, I think that pretty much covered the RPC, that new release. I'm sure the team's buzzing with excitement, ready to get that thing out. When is it releasing again?
So the RPC is releasing on the 7th of November. We've obviously got, you know, pricing plans for every single type of audience. So I'm showing it right now if you guys can see.
Oh, gotta pull it up.
But this is different pricing, which is cheaper than, you know, other providers. It's a better system, almost, you know, implemented directly for agents. And we have different plans for each user. So if you're looking to start off with a free plan, you can go for a free plan. Obviously, you can go for a cheaper model, which is for small projects, you know, starters, then move on to advanced, company, and the premium plans down here.
Got you. Yeah, I think I'm most curious to see how you can really expand this business and get user base. Do you have obviously you're in beta right now. You mentioned a few projects that are using this. But yeah, maybe conceptualize that for me. How are you guys really planning on going to market, guerrilla marketing, and just getting this out there? Yeah.
Pardon, what did you say? You cut out a little bit.
Okay, yeah. How are you guys planning to really just get boots on the ground, guerrilla marketing, and getting this out there? I think that's the most important thing, is a distribution aspect. And I'm
Making
curious
money.
to find how you guys are going to do that. Yeah, making money.
I think one of the main things is word of mouth, right? Because we tailored our testers selection directly to some of the best projects we could find on Solana. So this word of mouth, obviously, with these big providers actually going, oh, I would like to swap over to this, is better for what we need to do. Then they can go to different, you know, projects they know, for example, that needs an RPC, and they can recommend us. We're also preparing case studies, and we've got a marketing campaign coming up for these developers. So we're trying to, you know, organize different kinds of marketing campaigns with Odin, TG Metrics, these big guys. And we feel like getting across the word is the main thing. People can see it and they can't understand it. But it's best to get across the most simple, this is better in this way, right?
There we go. That's the goal, man. All right, K6, any closing thoughts? We are out of time, but we appreciate you coming on and sharing this update. Pretty cool stuff.
Yeah, I would just like to say Synapse isn't just another RPC, it's the foundation for verifiable AI on Solana. It's where infrastructure, data, and intelligence finally meet. So if you're building in this new chain of on-chain agents, you'll be building on Synapse. Thank you, and welcome to the next generation of decentralized intelligence on Solana.
Good luck, and keep the energy up.
That's right.
The markets need it.
Yeah, man, stay positive. Markets will not be bad forever. That's what I will say.
Right. All right,
Willing,
see you,
man.
man.
CK6.